Uh, guys, this side Sugandha, along with the core committee members, president, vice president, and coordinator of RIT Android Club. So, we all are here to introduce you all guys with the orientation program for academic year 2021-22 of RIT Android Club. I guess that most of you guys are familiar with the RIT Android Club name at least, and if not, then no worries at all because we are here today for the same. Right. So we are very much delighted to see you all guys joining and hope you all are safe and doing well. Now we are avid to introduce you with the orientation program, and I hope that even you all are avid to hear it. So without a delay, I'll just start with the contents, what contents we are going to include in this session. So we'll be introducing you with RIT Android Club, means you'll get to know about what is RIT Android Club, history, when it started, and all the activities. Then we'll discuss about the activities, what activities we are going to conduct under this RIT Android Club, and after that we'll just end with the session, and we'll be taking your activities, we'll be interacting with you all guys. So first of all, without a delay, I'll just start and I'll just hand over to President Akash Mahajan to give the speech and Android technology details. Over to you, Akash.
Yes, thank you, Sugandha. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So I welcome everyone to this orientation program. The objective of this program is to let you all know about the RIT Android Club and its legacy, as said by Sugandha. We all know that Android is now become a part of our lives, without which we could done so small. Android is on our smartphones, on our TVs, and even in our brand new car. This latest open source technology has now become a large stakeholder of mobile devices and software market, which is must be taken in consideration by every engineering student if he or she would like to develop something that can be profitable to the society. Once learned how to code the Android device, you can open thousands of possibilities for developing your own software and publishing it to help the society. It is more likely a social awareness, and Android has its all features to serve the developers' need. As far as my experience with Android is considered, I think it is a revolutionary software that can do anything just by tapping your screen. You search more millions of movies and songs, take education, go for a ride in unknown place, and much, much more. RIT Android Club want to add an extension to this open source software, making it applicable to society around us, helping it through the Android application. I know everyone in this club want to get in touch and deep dive into the Android software, and I can assure that Android will never let you down. Thank you.
Thank you. Great to listen you. Now further hand over to our faculty advisor, Professor P. Patil ma'am, for guiding and even to us. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sugandha, and thank you, Android Club core committee members. Um, uh, I, am, I welcome all of you, the members and the now new members to this club. And I'm really very much delighted to be a part of with the post of this faculty advisor once again. Because see, we are knowing that we are in such a field, information technology, which is now such a technology. I can say that we are not touching to any of the other technology or the domain. There is no such field remained. We have touched to healthcare, we have touched to mechanical, we have touched to automobile, we have touched to the electronics, electrical media, we are connected to the social media, so humans, businesses, and whatnot. Thing is, IT is one now at a centralized place where all the different fields in the domains are connected. And we are getting this very much a concrete part in today's state, in our today's COVID pandemic situation. So right now, without internet, without mobiles, I don't think nobody is going to resist to be get connected in the field. And I'm really very happy that we are a part of such a society and such IT field that we are going to give a little bit Okay, so thing is, when in RIT, we got an opportunity first time that Infosys launching Android learning course. So there was a decision taken by the institute, as we are connected with the Infosys, that we must include in our course this syllabus, and there is a need. Our student must learn about this technology. So in 2014, I got this opportunity to go to Infosys campus at Chandigarh with a crash course of 3 days, and I could able to learn more and more things. But at that time, I was in such a situation that you got a lot of stuff in your head and you couldn't able to do anything. But we could not able to stop there, because learning and just don't do anything is not our policy, right? We must include in our curriculum, that is a must. So thereafter, we have prepared our syllabus based upon the guidelines of the Infosys, and we have included the syllabus in our IT curriculum. And there started, now I can say, the journey towards learning the Android. I was the only one person who had attended, and nobody is there who is knowing about it. So really, I struggled a lot to learn this, because there was no such book which gives you this correct information to follow what. So searching each and every point, so working with it. Sometimes it was happened like that. My program was really very correct, but still it was not able to give me the output as expected. Sometime I sat till midnight, 2 o'clock, and I just shut down my PC, and I was worrying about how should I deliver my next lecture. Those were situations I had faced while learning initially, because there is nobody with me who is going to be have a collaborative learning phase also with me. So see, the thing which I want to tell you is that we need to start somewhere. But the next day morning, once I'm sitting with the new spirit, and the program started running. And that was a very wow moment for me. Every day it was happened for teaching and learning every bit and small bit of my Android learning. It was really recalling very nice moments to me, that when my program runs and I got the output, I was in the sky that my program is running, and I'm telling to my kid also that, see, my program is running on my mobile, see, like this way. That was the moment I really enjoyed a lot. But see, we should not stop only with the beginning, no? So we must go ahead with new dimensions. That is important. We must keep updating. And you know that we couldn't able to remain with the same learning, and we could live longer. That is not going to happen. So I can say that learning is a journey, and that is not the destination, right? So we must keep update ourselves. That is the need of this technology. Okay, and I really congratulate all of you that you are becoming a part. Later on, I got one companion with me, that is, I definitely say, who reached to little higher stage in the RIT or in the department also, that we have established this Android club, and Professor Mandle sir, he was also looking thereafter. So along with him, and I just handed over to him, and he really touched up with the new upcoming developments in Android, and we have started with the events like Hackathon. So everybody are knowing about hackathon event running around. Students are participating, they are winning, and they are showing their creativity, innovations, and learning, and getting the prizes. And you are having that much potential within you that you could develop your applications, and we could see that your applications must be there on a Play Store, published, and we should be feel proud that these are the members who are part of Android Club. They are having their applications. You are going to get the opportunity over there to showcase it to the outside world that on the tip of fingers, people are downloading your applications, using it, and getting benefited. And I think that must be our outcome we can project henceforth. That must be our objective we can put forward. And see, in today's date, if you are having your idea and if you are converting into some product or might be the service, that is what the way of earning in today's date. So you should give wings to your dreams, and it must fly in the open sky with the higher and higher heights. That's my thinking. And the students of the Android Club are really taking efforts. And I think whatever plan we are going to create here, it should give you a path, it should give you a goal, and you should work towards achieving those goals. And see, it is not only for oneself, it is for all ourselves. Okay, and that should be the spirit you should take into yourself and achieve those goals. That's my wishes from my end and from Department of IT, but I can't say now with respect to IT department. I can say it is from RIT, because we are now breaking our walls, limiting this particular Android club to only IT department. See, it was a part of course and started with the club, and now this is going to widen at RIT level. That is what we are thinking. So the people who are having creative idea, this club is for you. You should come with your ideas. All the team members, all the club members should sit together, learn together, develop together, and we should see our outcome, that Android club with many more applications available on the Play Store as an outcome. And definitely, I will say this, after 1 year of a time, you could become a idol for your next coming members in the Android club with this great achievement. So I hope I have given you some dream in front of you. I given you some of the insights that we have sowed a seed here, and these branches will grow and it will become a big tree with the efforts of you students, efforts of you members. That's what from all my side. All the best. Keep growing, keep learning, and remember every time that learning is a journey, and enjoy that learning. Thank you very much. Over to you, Akash and Sugandha.
Thank was really great to listen all your experiences, and thank you for motivating us. So now most awaiting and crucial part of the session is going to come. Is the discussion. We are discussing activities that we're going to conduct under the RIT Android Club. So I'll I'll just hand over Vice President Mr. Sanket Kale for the activities which we are going to conduct under this club. Over to you, Sanket.
Yes, thank you, Sugandha. Am I audible properly?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, very good evening, all of you. And I am welcoming from the RIT Android Club to all the geeks. So, this is the orientation program, as we know. And my name is Sanket Kale, and I am a vice president of the RIT Android Club. And I am here to discuss that what kind of activities we are going to take during all this period in upcoming time. So my introduction is that I told that my name is Sanket Kale and I am a vice president. I am right now studying in last year BTech. So this is my small introduction. So as a part of Android Club, we are going to take activities at the weekends because all of us have a free time at the weekends because during the all the week time we all are busy in the studying and whatever all the activities related to the our college. So the flow is like that. We have a certain amount of students and we are going to divide those students in the small groups randomly, and we are going to assign few members or mentors from the core committee, and those core committee members will assist all those students which are working under that particular club. And with the help of that clubs, you need to explore more and more Android club and the knowledge related to it. So it is not a random process, so it will have a very sequential fashion. So up till next Saturday we are going to pass a sheet where your allocated group and assigned mentor will be provided in the particular sheet, and you need to explore few ideas. If you have ideas related to your project, then you should bring it to us and we will help you. So Android is a kind of high technology at this stage. You whenever you are at second year or third year, so the prerequisite for for the Android Studio, you need Java language. So we will trying to arrange sessions for the basic Java and its Java OOPS concepts. So Java OOPS concepts is the heart for the Android Studio. So you as an individual who will be mentored by a mentor from our RIT Android Club from core committee, as I said before. So on that note, I would like to share a quote which is very famous by John Adams. If your actions inspire other to dream other, learn learn more and do more and become more, then you are a leader. So let's dissect this sentence and try to impose this sentence with our activities. So as ma'am said, that the problems that they were faced at very early time, then they learn from those past experiences. So dream more. So we are dreaming here that we have to achieve all the objectives that was set by our faculty coordinator a few years back. Then the efforts put by our seniors to achieve those objectives, we need to do same efforts to achieve all the objectives. So this is a dream more kind of thing. Then second thing is learn more. So in within the teams we are going to learn, we are going to assist each and every our partners and all the team members, and we are going to learn together and do more with. And what is the meaning for this do more? We are going to develop a projects, and we are going to put our efforts, knowledge, skills, and all our efforts to prepare the projects, and these projects will reflect it into your resume, and that projects will lead to you stand in a crowd differently. So, and last one but not least, at the end you will get a good team, you will have good skill set, you will have friends and very good personality. So with this note, I would like to end from my side. And with the last moment, I would like to say हिम्मत, हरकत, होशियारी, हम जीतेंगे। थैंक यू। ओवर
Thank you,
टू यू सुगंधा।
Thank you, Sanket. Okay, it really, it really got more, and we are too much excited for all these activities. So now further, I'm going to hand over to coordinator of RIT and Mr. Rishikesh Mehtre to discuss about Apathon. Over to you, Rishikesh.
Yes. Hello everyone. This is Rishikesh Ramchandra Mitre from CSI department. So firstly, I will talk you about the what is Apathon event and when to take with that event. So firstly, Apathon is a state level Android competition initiated by the RIT Android Club that conduct annually. It is just started back in year 2017. It have conducted in offline mode long before pandemic, but after in the pandemic we are forced to take everything online, eventually in a Apathon 2. This year we want to show off our Android Club activities, that is Apathon event 6.0 in 2021. So to make it possibly, we are designing to schedule our learning in such a way that you will completely develop your project and present that project. We believe that the learning can do from anywhere, and why not online? So we have to join Android Club, one of the first step towards the journey towards of the mobile application development. So we definitely work together and find a better solution on social problem. So in 2017 event, I will discuss a few points. The first Apathon event was carried out on September 27 under the lead of college scheme of Shivaji University. Basically, the objective of this event is to motivate students to solve social problems using mobile app development. The different themes we have provided to the students, such as environmental education, social games, tools, aids. Not only from RIT, but also various institute students participate in this event. So it is an important event conducted in RIT Android Club. So uh, for the upcoming event, we will have to discuss core committee members and other supporting members, and develop a schedule to hold Android Club Apathon event. So thank you for giving me a speech full time. So over to you, Sugandha.
Thank you, Rishikesh, for all the insights of, and it was really great to listen you. Now further, here ends is our, and everything we have took into this session. Now finally, I would like to hand over to Kundan Nagal Goje, committee member of RIT Android Club, to give the vote of thanks. Over to you, Kundan.
Thank you, Sugandha. So as Sugandha said, my name is Kundan Nagarguje, and I am core committee member for this RIT Android Club. First of all, I would like to say that good evening to the faculty advisor, Mrs. S.P. Patil ma'am, the president, the vice president, core committee members, and all my friends. First of all, I would like to thank to the faculty advisor Patil ma'am to give me this opportunity to speak on this auspicious occasion, and it's matter of honor for me. On the behalf of our entire club, I would like to thank to faculty advisor and core committee peoples, because this orientation program cannot be complete without your presence and your inspiring words. Getting such a response for our orientation program and the club is huge honor for us and our whole core committee members. Hence we would like to thank to all the party attenders and party attendance members for attending this orientation program. It proves that pandemic cannot stop our learning, and henceforth it would remain the same. So I'm requesting to the all attendees and our core committee members to start your camera if possible. We want to take our screenshot for this orientation program for 2021-2022. If possible, please start your camera. I'm requesting to the all participants, please start your camera if possible. Okay, I wish everyone best luck. Thanks again for attending this orientation program. I hereby declare that this orientation program is officially over. In this pandemic, we are going this conduct this Android club, as we all know about what we are going to do in this club. So I'm requesting you to stay in your home, stay safe. Thank you, Sugandha. I'm getting you over from my side.
Okay, thank you, Kundan. So, do anyone have any question regarding this? They can ask their questions.